The car on the left is my dad's 2010 Cobalt LT. It had a pretty bad seal leak and needed oil topped off constantly. It was our DoorDash car and our means of making extra money to save. Well, while DoorDashing a couple of days ago, it started losing compression or getting tight. I can't decide which one it was. Dad thought it might be a computer issue, so he shut the car off. That was when I knew the engine had either decided to split into multiple engines or the crank broke or something.
All right. One left. Sure you don't want to use that to get up in there? No.
The truck is my 1982 F-150. It has had a carburetor issue causing it to run very rich at idle. So now we are just changing the spark plugs until we get it fixed. As you can see, it is still very rich. My coworker saw me and pulled up. We basically just talked about a bunch of nonsense cars, doing goofy stuff and just having fun. And he was trying to help out with my truck and Dad's car a little bit too. The day after the passing of my dad's Cobalt, it was 5 degrees all day, and the battery got weak and left Dad stranded twice. No big deal. We replaced the battery right before this video. This is where we just kind of talked about cars, everything. My dad's painting, and at Josh, my coworker, he wanted to know if my choke was working.
And that's so weird. This thing usually fires right up. And it's like glass smooth above idle. What's that? It's like glass smooth above idle.
So did you pull it in idle?
I said it's glass smooth above idle, and both of them somehow thought that I said I pulled the choke or something about the choke.
It seemed like it was trying to pull the choke, see if you get it idle. It's not happy. It's not happy.
As you could see, the choke made it way worse. It didn't run for more than 5 seconds. At this point, we were packing up to leave. A friend or coworker just showed up from work, but look at this spark plug. Look at this spark plug. That is rough.